It's a very windy day, very windy, as you can. And I'm home alone, but the dogs are here, and they're slightly scared. And so Lady is. She's hiding. They never come to my room, and she's frightened, scared of the wind. I've asked her to come on the bed a couple of times, she has, but she gets in my way. I'm trying to watch a TV show on my laptop. But she's hiding behind my computer chair that's stacked with all my clothes. And she's hiding because the wind's making noise. It's very cute but sad at the same time. So, that happened. Lady! It's kind of weird.